welcome back to Project Frankenstein. Unfortunately, my buddy could not assist with the process. So who wants to make a bet if I can do this on my own? I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know. I do have some other good news though. I got some spark plugs from Rock Auto. So we're gonna put those bad boys in. That'll happen for sure. And then I'm gonna see if there's any way I can manage getting this all connected and getting it in the truck. I don't know if I can or not, but we'll find out, baby boom. I don't know, guys. I don't think I can do it on my own. It's just too heavy to get everything to line up and to get it all to line up perfectly. I don't know. This is pretty tough. We'll see. As you can see, I got the clutch fork back on, which is cool. Definitely feels a million times better than it did before, which is awesome. and now I'm just trying to see if I have it in me to get all this lined up. So, I mean, it's still making great progress. Got the spark plugs in, got the clutch fork in. If nothing else, I'm pretty close to lined up, but I'm still gonna see if I can get this done. All right, boom. You know, all things considered, I'm still happy with the progress. We still got the spark plugs in, and I got the clutch fork in too. So I am happy with the progress. I just need a second set of hands. I need somebody that can help me either hold one side or bolts, or I don't know. But I need a second set of hands just to get everything lined up and bolted together. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a second set of hands at least to get this bad boy pushed back in. So with that being said, I'm just gonna wait. I can for sure get this done next weekend. All I have to do is convince one of my buddies to come over to help me, just for some extra manpower. But I think that's really doable. I think it's very doable. But like always, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, follow my friends' channels, and boom. I mean, next weekend we should have this thing in the truck. I know I probably said that on every video for the last 10 videos, but I actually think so this time. All right, boom, baby.